We're back here in Lidditz at a recently completed project. The homeowner chose a James Hardie cement siding. James Hardie is definitely one of the more reputable cement sidings in the industry. This neighborhood had issues before with the fiber cement cracking out and was failing in some areas of the home. Because this homeowner is selling this home, we encourage them to put on a higher quality product because this is $1 million neighborhood. We encourage them to go with the James Hardie and encourage them also to use the evening blue color because all the projects that we do installs on, we see the trends in the market and it's a very desirable color right now. So that's what we recommended them to go with. So this here is a custom composite corner trim detail. A lot of properties were installing the super corner, the vinyl super corners, or traditional vinyl corner posts. But for homes like this and combined with the James Hardie product, we often recommend the composite trim corner posts. Here we're looking at the garage door trim. You have typically one of three options for garage door trim. Either a composite trim like this, or we wrap the existing wood trim with custom vinyl wrap or custom aluminum wrap, or you can choose to continue to paint your wood garage door trim. So underneath the James Hardie, we use the James Hardie Weather Seal as a moisture barrier. Around the windows, we tape all the windows where the Hardie Seal meets the window trim. That gets taped for moisture and weather conditions. In this situation, the homeowner chose to reuse the existing shutters, so we detached and reset these, as well as the soffit fascia and the gutters in this home were detached and reset. Depending on the age and condition of that, we will either recommend to have those replaced, or in a lot of cases, we can put them right back on.